To get started, first, press on the extension. You have 5 functions available in this extension. We will use extract flights. As you can see, we extracted the flights in this list. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the options of this flight. So, let's press on it. Then, go to the extension. Then, press Extract Flight Options. As you can see, we extracted the flight options in this list. Now, to export this, again, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.